Hello, dear cybersecurity community. Today we're going to show you how to make your files fully undetectable during penetration tests. We'll be utilizing the encryption techniques provided by Elite Tools. Don't forget that this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Also, you can't use Elite Crypter for illegal activities. Let's get started. First, we need to select a file. Then, we choose the injection method. Now, let's configure the optional settings.
It's going to be a fine night tonight. It's going to be a fine day tomorrow. It's going to be a fine night tonight. It's going to
We'll select the private stub for undetectable results. Great, our output file is ready. Let's scan the unencrypted file first.
It's going to be a fine night tonight. It's going to be a fine day tomorrow. It's going
Now,
to be a
let's scan the output file.
night tonight. It's going to be a fine day tomorrow.
For more tutorials and videos, be sure to subscribe and check out our Telegram channel. Check out comments for links.